Can I start now?
Go, go, go.
Yeah.
You're good. That's Dr. McConnell.
Dr. McConnell here. Teachers.
This vessel right here in front is the pulmonary trunk. So you want to orient that so that you can see the pulmonary trunk. This is the pulmonary trunk. So that means this is the right atrium, this is the left. I mean, I've been doing that all day. Words are just coming out backwards. This is the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Here is the dog ears. This is the left. See how that's the auricle, which is part of the left atrium, that cavity right there.
Dog ears.
Dog ears. And here's the right. See it? The aorta is behind the pulmonary trunk. Now, the aorta in a cow is a little different than a human. Human comes out as one, and then vessels come off that go to the head. And the aorta actually is bifid. It comes out and splits into one that goes to the head and the one that goes to the rest of the body. So this is the aorta. Okay. So let me get into the right atrium. There's the right atrium. Right there, and see, here is the right ventricle. The way it's cut, it's a little screwy. But you see these leaflets here? Here's one. There's another one, and then here's the third one over here. It's a little cut. So what valve is that?
What side is it?
This is on the right side.
Tricuspid.
It's the tricuspid, right? Just kind of see it off there. Just see how the right ventricle, it's the way it's cut is funny, but you can see the cut side here is not very thick compared to the left side. Very thick. That's how you can tell which ventricle it's
So
in.
the left is always going to be the same. The ventricle is bigger on the left.
Okay. See if we can see anything else here.
The ventricle is bigger in
I think that's that's the inferior, superior vena cava there coming down. I don't think we had you name that.
It smells good. It looks like a dumpling.
Tim, shut up.
Okay, so blood comes back. Let's see if I can find a pulmonary vein. Yeah, there's a pulmonary vein that's going into the left atrium. So left atrium here opens into the left ventricle here. See the valves is just two leaflets. What valve is that? Bicuspid valve, right? And see the papillary muscle? This bump right here in the muscle. Then it's got the chordae tendineae attached to it, then it goes to the leaflets. So papillary muscle, chordae tendineae, and then they're the bicuspid valve.
Well said.
Very good.
I'm not done.
So cool.
Give me a probe. Thank you.
Was it going to stab you?
I don't know. It
Not today.
came at me. Okay, these are the layers. So that's the key word you got to home in on when I say layer. So what layer do I first go through?
Epicardium.
Epicardium. And then I could say what layer is this?
Pericardium.
No.
That's the endocardium.
Nope. We got one more choice.
Enter.
Myocardium. That's the thick muscle.
Myocardium. Okay.
And then this.
Endo is the inside, right?
There you go.
Endo.
First one it goes through. Now I could do this. I can't find it. I can't find it very good here. It's the way it's cut funny. Here is the, I'll just tell you if I had one of the, this is the interventricular septum right there. Interventricular. So I could say, I could ask you three questions here. I could say, what layer is this?
Is this also the interventricular septum?
That
This
is-
whole thing?
Yes. And I could say, what layer is this?
Myocardium.
Myocardium. I could say, what structure is this?
Heart.
The septum.
Let's narrow it down a little bit more. Interventricular septum.
So region is interventricular septum?
No, structure.
Structure, interventricular
That's a
septum.
thing, a named thing. Or I could say, what ventricle is